We're going to be going to Carnegie Hall, and that's incredible.
It's an honor and a privilege to even be here. It's an even bigger honor to perform at a place where everybody wants to say they've been.
Our wonderful voice teacher requested us to audition and send in an application, and the rest is history. Now we're here, and it's awesome, and it's probably the best experience I've ever had in my entire life.
It's insane. It's amazing.
We are in New York City. We're going to perform at Carnegie Hall, and these are some of the top high school musicians from all over the nation, and some of them are actually from other countries, and it is quite an honor to get to work with them.
Words can't even describe what it's like to imagine performing at Carnegie Hall.
This experience has been one of the best of my life. It's my first time in New York, first time singing with this big of a choir, and it's just an amazing experience to be myself around with these people because they get it.
I'm really excited to just be in New York. I'm from a small city in Georgia. Our conductor is really amazing. He brings a lot of energy to the room, and he really lets us play it out and express the emotions that the pieces explore.
We have magic that happens in rehearsal, and through music we actually learn a lot about life. Knowing what to support, knowing how to support others, not always having to be in the limelight. All of these things are great, making great people through music.
How was it?
It was amazing.
Carnegie Hall, best moment of my life.
It's gonna sound kind of cliche, but I really felt alive.